Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer WooCommerce catalog to Shopify with Cart2Cart, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your WooCommerce catalog to Shopify using Cart2Cart, start by visiting the Cart2Cart website. Create a Cart2Cart account if you haven't already. Once logged in, click on the Start Your Migration button. Select WooCommerce as your current shopping cart platform. Next, choose Shopify as your target shopping cart. Fill in the URL of your WooCommerce store in the appropriate field. Now, input your Shopify store URL as well. To facilitate the transfer, click on the Get Your Credentials link. Follow the instructions to get your WooCommerce API keys. Copy the keys and paste them into the corresponding fields on Cart2Cart. Now, click on the Select Entities button. Here, you can choose which data you want to migrate, such as products, customers, and orders. After making your selections, click Next. Cart2Cart will provide you with a demo to preview the migration process. Review the demo to ensure everything looks correct. Once satisfied, proceed by clicking Next again. Now, you will see the migration options available. Choose between a full migration or a partial migration, depending on your needs. If you opt for a full migration, ensure you are aware of the associated costs. Click on the Start Migration button to initiate the process. You will see a progress bar showing the status of your migration. Once the migration is complete, you will receive a notification. Check your Shopify store to ensure all data has transferred successfully. If needed, customize your newly migrated Shopify store to fit your branding. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred your WooCommerce catalog to Shopify using Cart2Cart. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.